Okay, now let us move to another application. And this is for another section. Another section. This is another section. It is another section. Not so we have come to the end of this section about determinant. Now we are moving to applications. It is another new section. It's another application, but it's no use. This is better. This is better than what I have. What I have here is the eraser. Okay, so now next section, and the section is okay. It is 1.4 is application to solving simultaneous linear equation. Application to solving simultaneous linear equations. Okay, so now here we have the first point here in this section. We have subsection, so it is inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix. So here inverse of matrix can be used to solve simultaneous linear equations. Okay, so now what we can say here is that this all the way we are going to try to use this matrix inverse. There are two ways of using it. Two ways. Okay. First way, the common one is column wise method. There is also row wise method. So about inverse of matrix. So actually, these are two methods we will try to use. But before we get to that point, we have some learning activities. So first learning activity, we are going to call it 1.1.4.1. Okay. So the activity is as follows. Let us use this color. So given black color, given the matrix A is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. It is like the previous matrix. Now, so question A is use augmented matrix. Use augmented matrix use augmented matrix. Probably if it is to find inverse, you are going to use Jordan and the following uh, elementary row operation. Elementary row operations. Okay, which ones? I we have row 2 has to be pressed by row 2 minus row 1 and the row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1, probably in this order. Secondly, row 1 be replaced by row 1 minus row 3, and thirdly make a row operation, row 1 be replaced by row 1 itself minus row 2. So probably if you want to obtain the inverse of this matrix, so number B, so we write down A inverse of A, which is this one. What is the inverse? Okay, so this is this activity that we need to work out. There are other some questions I didn't notice. So okay, so it is a long one. So you can copy down this, and then I'm going to write another sub questions. So following this, it is sub question C. It is still this activity. I don't have enough space. So let us look at sub question C. This is not done. Sub question C now. After this, we're going to deal with sub question C of this learning activity 141. So perform the following number. I find determinant of A. B, the second one, obtain matrix inches of A. So number 3, obtain the transpose of matrix C. So we call it this transpose is called adjoint of matrix A. So we want to find this one. Now number 4, write down matrix X, so big X, which is equal to 1 over determinant of matrix A. Let us use this notation to save space somehow, times adjoint of matrix A. This is it means you have 1 over determinant times transpose of cofactor matrix. So now number 5, compare inverse of matrix A and the X matrix X, this matrix. This is the learning activity for inverse of a matrix and its application. So it means, first of all, in application, you have to find inverse of a matrix with a different method, probably, and we are going to use in the other sections. We are going to use this inverse matrix. As I told you, we can use it column-wise, row-wise method, and so on. Now, the application activity for this section, application activity of this section is not big, so I think we can write it down so that the student may just use it. So we are going to take another video to correct these activities. So meanwhile, let us take now application activity here in this section, still in the same section. Okay, so now let us find application activity. Write down application activity in this section. I think I don't have to lose it. Application activity is over here. Application activity 141. So number 1, question number 1. Question number 1. Okay, excuse me. Question number 1 here. What do you have to find? Question number 1 is find the inverse of matrices that follow. A, have A 26, 5, 2, and B, find the matrix of M with coefficients 5, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, question for which we have to find their inverses. Number two, consider the following matrices. Consider the following matrices. So matrix A with coefficient 3, 7, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1, and the matrix B with coefficient 2, negative 2, 1, 3, 1, 6, negative 1, 1, 1. Now, from these two matrices, find 1 inverse of the first matrix A and inverse of the second matrix B. So secondly, find inverse of the first inverse. Find inverse of this matrix, because inverse of the matrix is also an invertible matrix. And number three, we have to find take 10 times matrix A times A inverse. Okay, this is application activity 141. Okay, so now we have to just answer these questions next time. So until next time, stay safe. Thank you.